In the ever-advancing world of personal technology, few products manage to redefine their category. Most updates are incremental: faster chips, brighter screens, or a sleeker frame. But every so often, a device arrives that feels like a genuine leap forward, a product that signals the future, not just the present. In 2025, that product may very well be the Apple Watch Ultra 3. What began as a luxury timepiece for tech enthusiasts and fitness-minded users has now morphed into a fully equipped survival companion, an intelligent health monitor, and perhaps the most powerful personal assistant ever worn on the wrist. This isn't a smartwatch in the traditional sense. It's a versatile, rugged, intelligent ecosystem condensed into a compact, durable frame. Welcome to the next frontier of wearable technology, from timekeeper to lifesaver, a radical redefinition long. Gone are the days when a smartwatch simply measured your pulse or pushed calendar reminders. The third generation Ultra pushes the envelope with an entirely new approach. This device isn't just about convenience, it's built for self-reliance. Even in the most demanding environments, from mountaintop treks to deep-sea dives, from everyday health tracking to medical-grade data insights, this device is designed not just to follow your life, but to support, inform, and guide it. Whether you're a long-distance hiker, a triathlete, a firefighter, or just someone who values real-time knowledge about their body, this watch isn't a passive tool. It's an active guardian. Connectivity for every scenario, dual-layer communication. The Ultra 3 introduces a sophisticated dual-channel connectivity framework. The first is a robust 5G module, enabling rapid, seamless data transfer across cities, airports, and connected infrastructure. It ensures quick downloads, crisp call quality, and fluid messaging, no matter how crowded the network. But the real innovation lies in the second layer, satellite-based communication. For the first time, Apple's wearable can send emergency messages or request SOS support without needing cell towers or Wi-Fi. This means complete independence in off-grid situations, deserts, remote trails, the open sea, or disaster zones. If your life depends on getting a message through, the Ultra 3 may be the only thing standing between isolation and rescue. This system isn't just for emergencies either. Apple hints at upcoming asynchronous satellite messaging for routine check-ins in low-coverage zones, something that could transform outdoor communication. A brighter, smarter, sharper display. The Ultra 3 features a re-engineered LTPO Retina display, one that now achieves a staggering 3,000 nits of peak brightness. Sunlight readability is no longer a concern, whether you're snowboarding at high altitudes or navigating a desert plateau at noon. In addition to luminance, the screen now supports a higher refresh rate for ultra-smooth animations and gestures. Especially when scrolling through dynamic metrics during workouts or diving into layered notifications. The watch also maintains its always-on mode, but with smarter adaptation. The brightness and content shown adjust depending on environmental light, motion, and user intent, a small but meaningful leap toward contextual UI, unleashing on-wrist intelligence, the S10 processor perhaps. The biggest transformation comes from within. The S10 chip, designed on a 3nm architecture, is more than just efficient. It's a neural powerhouse at its core. This chip enables something Apple now calls Apple Intelligence, a fully on-device artificial intelligence system. Unlike cloud-based assistants, this AI doesn't need to ping servers to analyze commands. It thinks, learns, and adapts right on your wrist. Examples are everywhere. After a late-night workout, the watch may nudge you to hydrate based on recent exertion. During high-stress days, the watch might recommend a breathing session or suggest adjusting your daily load. If your recovery metrics lag, it can propose rescheduling your training schedule. Factoring in HRVs, sleep depth, and environmental stressors, Siri 2.0, as some insiders call it, isn't just a voice assistant. It's a proactive presence, learning from your behaviors, adapting to your tone, and supporting your goals with data-backed recommendations, health insights. Like never before, perhaps the most anticipated aspect of the Ultra 3 is its rumored non-invasive blood pressure tracking. While unconfirmed, analysts say Apple has made significant progress on using optical sensors and microfluidic pressure measurement to detect systolic and diastolic values without a cuff, if true. This will mark a watershed moment in digital health. No longer will users need external devices to monitor critical cardiovascular metrics. Couple that with existing features like electrocardiogram, ECG readings, blood oxygen SpO, to monitoring heart rate variability, HRV body, temperature trends, crash and fall detection, menstrual cycle predictions, sleep architecture, breakdown. What you get is a clinical-grade diagnostic platform strapped to your wrist, something that could revolutionize early disease detection, chronic condition management, and athletic optimization. Built to endure. Titanium 2.0 and next-G alloys. While the internals received a major overhaul, the chassis didn't get left behind. The Ultra 3 retains its military-grade construction, but debuts a new next-G alloy blend designed to provide enhanced scratch resistance, improved shock absorption, and lighter weight without compromising strength. Extreme temperature testing reveals the device can operate flawlessly in icy -20°C blizzards or scorching 50°C heat waves. The buttons have been enlarged slightly, making them more glove-friendly, while the ceramic back panel enhances skin contact for better sensor accuracy. Aesthetic options now include stealth matte black, which pairs industrial ruggedness with minimalist sophistication. Alongside the familiar brushed silver tone, evolved battery life and charging mechanics sovereign with increased power and connectivity. The Ultra 3 manages to extend its battery longevity. With regular use, the watch can now run up to 36 hours. Flip it into power reserve mode, and it stretches to a formidable 72 hours, enough for multi-day hikes or long-haul adventures. Charging has also been optimized. Using Apple's new Rapid Mag connector, you can achieve 50% battery in under 30 minutes. What's more exciting is the possibility of reverse wireless charging. Users may soon be able to place the watch on top of a compatible iPhone 17 or iPad Pro and receive a power boost, creating a circular energy ecosystem among Apple devices. watchOS 11, a smarter operating system. The Ultra 3 runs on the freshly refined watchOS 11, and it's more intelligent than ever. The interface has been redesigned around predictive relevance, meaning it adjusts in real time based on context, location, and health data. Some intelligent UI examples include, during a hike, the screen foregrounds compass direction, elevation, and barometric pressure. In dive mode, it automatically switches to depth, oxygen levels, and remaining airtime. During high stress or poor sleep, calming visuals and wellness widgets slide into prominence. Widgets no longer sit in fixed grids, they flow dynamically depending on your physiological needs and behavioral patterns. Powered by Apple's onboard AI. Pricing, availability. And final thoughts, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is scheduled to launch alongside the iPhone 17 series in September 2025. Early reports suggest a pricing window between $799 and $899, depending on materials, configurations, and optional accessories, such as a rugged expedition band or diving kit module. Yes, it's a premium price, but the value proposition is massive. For professionals who demand peak performance, for adventurers who embrace risk, and for individuals who care deeply about personal wellness, this device is no longer a luxury, it's an essential companion. Bigger picture, more than a smartwatch, what makes the Ultra 3 unique isn't just its features, it's what those features represent. This isn't just a gadget that tells time or buzzes with notifications. It's a converging point of health, safety, intelligence. It's a device. It's a device that could alert you to cardiac irregularities before you feel them. A device that helps you send a distress message from the side of a glacier. One that keeps your digital world moving even when your phone dies. One that listens when no one else is around and knows what to say. This is technology with purpose, design with empathy, and innovation with human potential in mind. Closing words, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 isn't the endgame. It's the next bold move in a journey toward wearables that truly serve us, not as distractions, but as protectors, motivators, and guides. As the world becomes more complex, demanding, and unpredictable, having a powerful, trustworthy ally on your wrist may soon be as essential as the phone in your pocket. And in 2025, the Ultra 3 is shaping up to be exactly that.